quick update on Boeing. Looks like it broke down out of where I was thinking it was going to break up. We're looking at the 4 hour. Well, it looks like we're coming down to about the same point we've been coming down to. So as you see there, it's starting to line up pretty good there. Could come down a little more. I forgot to mention yesterday that the breakdown target of that, if we weren't to break up, was going to be 158.15, which we haven't touched, or 158.88, I'm sorry, which we haven't touched yet. But you can see we did break down. I knew there was something coming, but I guess I was a little wrong there. But we're still within this channel I have. Looks like we're starting to touch it now. If we were to come down to that 158.88, we would definitely be falling out of that, which is going to gear us up for a further drop. It's really strange because it looked like a golden cross coming on the daily. Could have been a fake out, or it could have just needed this little bit of downturn in order to get some changes. Here's let's take a look at the weekly quickly. Oh, this is an hourly. I'm sorry. The hourly, we're way down right now, so we should be getting a bounce pretty soon. Could come down a little bit more. I didn't end up getting in at the 164 or 165 area because this morning it was around 164 as it is. So on the weekly here, you can see we're still coming back down. It looks like it's forming an M. If we can test the top of this triangle and stay in, we're still above it. We're still going to be okay. But if we fall down out of it, then we're going to be looking at going down to the bottom of that triangle. Let's take a look at a real small time frame, 45 minutes. We're going to be getting a bounce, most likely to come back up and test that 164 area, see if we can get back in. Like I said, I didn't get into a play. In the pre-market, it was sitting at 164.30. I didn't even get to buy in at all, and then I ended up seeing it drop before I could even do anything. I actually ended up getting some at 161. I'm going to try to see if I can grab something. If it ends up coming down to this 158.88 area, I could potentially buy another one if everything's looking all right, because that's where I'm thinking it's going to end up. And I'll have to have my stop loss 155, and I'll just take a couple dollar loss. It kind of sucks because it was really looking good, but it looks like it might end up being a fake out potentially. If we can't grab support here, and if we can, then we should have another chance. But a little bumming because I thought for sure we were going to get a move up out of that. But I guess with everything going on right now, times are crazy. The election and everything, can't be expecting too many good moves from things. People are very scared and fearful of these markets. So we'll take a measured move there of that rising channel it was originally in. If we fell out of that, we're going down to 147. If we just the move out of the triangle we were in originally, the smaller triangle, is 158. And then we have some support at 156 and 152 area. So we'll have to keep an eye on all of that. I still think we're going to be coming back up. This could be some type of fake out or just retested that original flag that we started breaking out of. Hopefully we can hold this. And if we can, it's actually going to be pretty bullish to get a bounce there, which is around the 161, 160 area. So maybe even 158.88.